Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this case is made by TOOVREN. It's the wallet case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, so here's the box that comes in. We got a little wrapper right there. We'll take this apart. TOOVREN normally has the box that have this kind of neutral color right here. Got a TOOVREN embossed up top right there, but pretty minimal otherwise. Let's pull this apart. All right, here's the case. Here, let's move this stuff here to the side. All right, so you got a lanyard here that you can attach to the case. And this is the case. The wallet case has an insert in the back. This button here, you can secure your cards by putting that there and clasping this back together, your lanyard hook right there. And this is also a way to get some grip onto the phone right there. Let's see, and this does stretch, has some elastic right there. You can see that it does stretch on both sides. But it's like a suede feeling. This is leather feeling right here, and TPU on the side. You got a nice soft felt area inside there. Camera area is well protected because you're gonna have this padding around there, so that's not gonna be a problem when you set it down the back. Got your buttons right here, up and down, your mute switch right there, and you got your charging port, speaker, and your other speaker grill right there. Your mic will be in that area as well. Power button right there. I don't really see any branding on this either, but it's not a bad looking case, all right? Let's pull this lanyard out and see how long this lanyard is, okay? So the lanyard is adjustable. You can adjust it, you know, make it small or large, but it will attach to the case like this. Pretty simple clasp system right there. Get this open. Open like that, and then you can put it in. All right. Now let's get the device and put it inside. Now here's the iPhone 12. This is a model, not a real phone. Let's put this inside. So the case fits pretty good. You got some lip around there, so it's going to be protected there. Not too intrusive. Everything lines up right there, and right here as well. But this will fit the iPhone 12 Pro as well. This is the iPhone 12, and can't test wireless charge because it's a model phone. But it doesn't add a lot of bulk, and you get some functionality as well. Now, you can put a card in the back. Let's just test it with this little card right here. So you would remove this, and then you stick this in the back, and you can secure it just by closing this back, right? So your card is secure, don't slip out or anything like that. Person can just snatch it out. You got this lock right here, so you got to take off. So that's pretty cool. Now, as I mentioned, you have this button snap right here to secure your cards, but you can also unsnap this and adjust it to the second one, and now you have a kickstand, okay? So you got a kickstand right now. You can put it like that, or if you want a more angled view, you can put it like that, all right? So that's pretty creative in the way they did that. And this gets fairly stiff when you push it down, okay? So it works pretty well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the TOOVREN iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro wallet case. It's a leather case with kickstand, also card holder, and a lanyard, okay? Now I'll put the link in the description for you so you can try to get this if you want to. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.